Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Olivia, and today we are going to declutter and clean my disaster of an office. So this is a space that is supposed to inspire me, and lately it's just been feeling really chaotic and messy, and I just don't know where to start with decorating. So what I've decided to do today is clean the space, declutter it, and start making a plan to decorate. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please consider hitting subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. So what I'm going to do is just tidy everything up and make things look neat and organized and decluttered, and then from there I think in another video I'm going to redecorate and kind of finish off the things I started already. So like I have that shelf that I got from IKEA, which I put together and started styling, but it's not done, and it's just the steps that I took to make this office look good, like made the space look better, but it's starting to feel really cluttered and chaotic. And this is where I work, so it's where I freelance, but then also blog, and it's just not inspiring me. So I'm just gonna get started and start putting things away, decluttering, and getting this room organized and feeling good again. As you can see, this area is just kind of a mess. I need to get more storage bins, and then I also need to decide what I want to do with it, because I think I said in a previous clip that it reminds me of like a classroom kind of school teacher setup, and that's not the vibe I'm going for. So I just need to figure out this. I just put that picture up there because I had one picture up and then I had another, and like smoke from a candle did that, so I just put that up there to block that. But so I need to decide what I want to do for that. This area absolutely drives me crazy. So when I talk about feeling really chaotic and uninspired in this room, I'm talking about this area. So basically we have some dog food. That's just because it's such a huge bag, that's just some dog food that we don't fit in the storage containers. I also want to organize all the pet stuff, which I have to do, but I haven't done that yet. So there's a cat. Can I help you? Come in if you want to come in. Thank you. I'm doing a video. There's Harley. But so there's some dog food, and then that's just some winter coats, not the most practical storage, so I need to do something about that and probably take some out because it's autumn here now. And then this is my second wardrobe. So this is where I have my workout clothes, some jewelry, some out of season clothes, and stuff like that, which I hate. I want to get rid of this wardrobe, but we don't have additional clothing storage, so for the time being I'm using it. We got these two wardrobes for free since there's no wardrobes in this house, and then I repainted this one, but since I may get rid of this one, I didn't want to spend the money on paint yet, so that's why one's painted and one's not. But just on the top, there's some backpacks, some boxes, just some clutter. Over here, we just have a little cat nook. I would like to do something better, but for right now, we just have some cat stuff there. Nathan's wardrobe is not messy, so I'll just straighten that up. And then over here, we have the office stuff. So this is the shelving unit that I got from IKEA. I started styling with just things I had around the house but never finished. So those gray binders are still empty, and I'm gonna do an organization video of how I organize all our paperwork. So bills, manuals, receipts, important documents, animal paperwork, etc. will all be organized in these gray binders. So I still have to do that. And that's what that area looks like. So I just need to tidy that up and actually get stuff done. So this desk I just got from the Facebook Marketplace, and we picked it up for free. It's a large desk. It's not really ideal, but It was free, so can't complain. And it's just a little cluttered, but also not decorated, so not sure what I want to do with that. But yeah, so that is the before, and so I'm just gonna start tidying everything up and putting stuff away and just making the space look a lot neater. And so what I did is I just folded my workout bottoms. So I have shorts, capris, and pants. I have some in the wash. So I'll have to put them away once they come out of the wash. And then with this top drawer is all my workout tops. What I did is I just did tank tops by color and then the rest of the workout tops. So there's t-shirts, and then there's a couple workout long sleeves or jackets. I didn't really have room to separate them in 3 different categories, but I know which ones are long sleeve and jackets, so it's fine. And then this drawer is still chaotic, but it's so much better. So I did sports bras on that side. I did slipper socks there, socks, higher socks for like boots and all that kind of stuff. And then I did tights there, little socks like these that you wear with flats or something like that are there, and then just regular ankle socks are there. Okay, so it's the next day. That's why I'm in a different outfit. My camera died. So as we saw yesterday, what I did before it got too dark in the room was I just started to look over this cabinet. So I reorganized my workout clothes, and then I took that big bag of coats and hung and put those away. So now I'm just gonna work on the shelving unit, kind of do the finishing touches when it comes to cleaning, and then start putting together my ideas of what I want to get for this room and how I want to decorate. Okay, so what I did is I just dusted everything and put things kind of back with where they were before, but switched up things a little bit. Closer view of what I have on here. I'm not obsessed with this. I really, like I said, need to go through the binders and organize the paperwork finally. I don't like this at all, but I have photos in that one. That one's empty and that's just a notebook I put there. I do like this photo there, and I do like the photos on it. I like the plant. I want more plants. And then another bin might be good. That's just paperwork that I have to file. And then we have the printer down there, and that's kind of just empty anyway. And those bins up there are empty as well. So lots of potential, lots of room for storage, but I really need to figure that out. I also need to get like bookends or something to keep the binders upright because they do fall down all the time. Okay, so I'll just give you an overview of how the room looks and then what I'm planning on doing. So with this unit, I need to get more baskets. I think I'll at least get 3 more, maybe keep the books like that, or maybe fill the whole thing with baskets. This area is not gonna stay this way, but I just took this scratch off map that we had in the guest room that like I've scratched off places I've been, and I just added that there. I thought it fit more than those random pictures, but we'll see. I like the plant. The plant is clearly happy in here, so I think it will stay in here, but I just need to figure out, maybe look on Pinterest to see what I want to do there. We have a whiteboard there. My bags are just there at the moment. I don't see them really going anywhere else. And then the wardrobe and the cat. Everything's put away and organized. So that is that. And then Nathan's wardrobe, it's clean. This like poof I just got for free from someone that was decluttering their house, so I'll either keep it or I'll donate it. They said don't worry, so because they were just gonna get rid of it anyway. So I just have that there for right now, just to see. And then the desk, I didn't do really much with it, but just tidied things up and wiped everything down. And then as we saw, the cabinet just looks like that. So what I want to do is I want the desk to look more put together, maybe just a couple more desk accessories, I think. And then the biggest thing that bothers me so much is these cords. I need to get a longer extension cord, and I just really want this cord situation figured out. I also need to get decor and organization for this shelving unit and figure out what I want to do with this. I know what I want to do with it. I want to get rid of it, but I have to replace it with something. So that is the update. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is kind of just all over the place, but I just want to show like the process and how everything doesn't just go from being a disaster to absolutely perfect. Some things take time and planning, and that's just definitely how I like to do it. So I definitely like to clean up the space and declutter it and that kind of stuff before I really see what I need to get or what I want to get for the space. It gives you a better idea. So I hope you guys got some organization, cleaning motivation from this post, but then also maybe some decor inspiration or to tackle that room that just doesn't make you feel good. Like, this is the room that I blog and work in, and I just kind of was avoiding it. So I definitely want to create a space that I love. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please consider hitting subscribe if you like this video and want to see more from me. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.